Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. I am also good. And finally, we have seen a good selling in gold yesterday as well as today. So, in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XAU USD, and explain you how to find potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. And I also discuss some fundamental stuff before analyzing the chart. So let's get started. As you know, the market sentiment remains consistent with the expectation that the Federal Reserve will soon start cutting interest rates. And yesterday we saw the Bank of Canada cut their interest rates for the second time. So this indicates that a global rate cut cycle has begun. And we can expect this trend to be adopted by the central banks of worldwide. And additionally, yesterday's data showed a decline in the USA manufacturing sector. Yesterday we had the manufacture index data, and it's signaling a gradual slowdown in the economy of the US. So this data further boosts the sentiment for a Fed rate cut. So if I summarize the overall market sentiment, the bearish trend for the DXY, that is dollar index, has begun, and from a long term perspective, the DXY is expected to remain bearish for long term, but there is a pending retracement in DXY. Let me show first the DXY. If you see the DXY chart in daily frame, it broke the last support, and trying to retrace. So there is a possibility it may retrace up to this zone because there is a pending retracement. Okay. When DXY retrace up to this level, we may see sellings in gold, and further when it come down from this level, we will see good bullishness in the gold once again. So let's see what will happen. This is the chart of DXY, and hopefully it will retrace up to this level, and after that it will come down for long term. If I check the today's economic calendar, in today's economic calendar, you can see there is two high impact news of US, that is advanced GDP and unemployment gains. And advanced GDP forecasted greater than the previous data. Hopefully it may come less than the forecasted, because previous couple of weeks we are seeing that the economic data is slowing down in USA, and other hand, unemployment claims forecasted less than the previous, and the labor market is really cooling down in USA. So let's see what data will come. If the unemployment claim actual data will greater than the forecast or greater than the previous, we may see a good selling again in gold today. So let's see what will happen. This all in fundamentals. Now move to the chart. Okay, this is daily chart of gold in front of us. In daily chart, You can see the previous day, yesterday's candle, it is a good sign of weakness in gold. This is a kind of no demand candle, and that's why today we are seeing a good selling in gold. Okay. As per daily structure, there is a break of structure, as I discussed already on my previous videos, and this is the last support of gold, daily structure. Last support of daily structure on gold, and the price zone is 2292 22300, and first point of interest was there, and price break the first point of interest. As per market structure rules, we know whenever market break the first point of interest, market need to approach the second point of interest. This is our second POI. So we may see gold approach this POI in next couple of weeks. So whenever market reach this POI, we may initiate a buy in gold for swing trade purpose. Until then, we do not initiate any buy for swing trade purpose. Okay, let's shift to the 4-hour frame. This is 4-hour frame. Okay, in 4-hour frame, as I discussed on my previous videos, the structure of 4-hour frame was bullish like this, and we have 2 point of interest. One is there. First point of interest is not respected by the price, and we had second point of interest is there, that is 2391 to 23. Let me check. 2391 to 2398. Okay, and market reached to this point of interest and give us a good amount of profit from there. Okay, after that, now price break this second point of interest. That means if two consecutive candles closed below this price, we will shift our biasness from bullish to bearish, and it will be our change of character. Okay, it will be our change of character. And we know whenever market form change of character, that means the shift of structure. And we have, then we have 3 point of interest to join this bearish trend. Okay. Okay, this is the 4-hour structure analysis. Let's look the 1 hour for find the intraday trade. Okay. Mind one thing, in 4-hour frame, if you want to buy on gold, there is a support for few retracement here. This is a support in gold. We may initiate a buy from here if price approach this level today or tomorrow. Okay, the price zone is 2350 to 2358. So viewers, 2350 to 58 is a good support, and market is now trying to approach this zone. If we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy for few retracement. Okay, like this, up to 100 to 150 pips, and our SL will be there. Okay. Let's shift to the 1 hour frame. In 1 hour frame, market is bearish. As we see in daily frame, market is bullish, and 4-hour frame market is now bearish, and 1 hour frame market is bearish. That means we need to initiate sell up to the level of day structural support. Until market reach the day structural support, we may sell on gold. But when market reach to the day structural support, we do not initiate any sell. We further wait for the align the multiple time frame like 4 hour, 1 hour to with the days time frame. Okay. In the 1 hour frame, if you check market structure, it is clearly bearish now. It is a liquidity grabbing, and after that create new lower low. That means it is a break of structure. So in break of structure, market create a flag pattern. Look, this is a flag pattern. Before break this support, before break this support, market create a flag pattern right here. So this price is very good price to initiate sell. If market approach to this level, we may initiate a good selling up to this level. Okay. So let me mark the zone. This is a 1 hour selling zone for today. And another selling zone is there. Okay. So if okay, if price approaches this zone, this is 2392 to 232400. 2392 to 2400. If price approach this zone today, we may initiate a selling here like this. Okay. So for today, first buying zone is there and second selling position is there. If price able to break this resistance, we may initiate a buy from this zone up to this level for scalping purpose, and after that we may initiate a sell from here again like this. And this is zone of 2421 to 2431. 2421 to 2431. Okay. So this is the trade setups for today, and avoid to trade during the release of news. After release of news, let the market to unfold, and after that we may initiate our trades according to our analysis and our trade zones. If market approach to our zones, we may initiate trade after release of news or before release of news, and avoid during the news to open any trade. So that's all, my viewers, for today. And all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies that really help you to trade smarter and profitably in the Forex market. So, thanks for watching, my dear viewers. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. And until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.